Hi there everyone, I'm David and I'm one of the facilitators on the Future Focus Scaling Up programme.
I'm Matthew Leroy from Inspired Cycle Engineering.
We've had a fantastic trip to London. I think the whole group of companies have come up and it's had a good look at some of the most innovative, disruptive businesses in the country. I think it's fair to say we've had a great time. It's been particularly great for you guys because, you know, it's been really relating to what you do.
Yeah, coming to Brompton is really relevant for our product and our company. And it's really good to see a British company that's been so successful in our industry, and to see all the things that they've done that hopefully we can like take some ideas from and replicate them in our own business and hopefully share some of their success.
And wasn't it fantastic the way they developed their team and they got all their team involved in everything and really moved everything forward?
Yeah, it's a completely different way of working to how we're working, and it really sort of shows us that we don't have to do things the way that we've done them just because that's how we've done them in the past. There's alternative ways and better ways.
One of the things I've loved about this trip though has just been all the businesses from Cornwall together up here in London. We've kind of gone round en masse, we've seen lots, but we met Evan Davis last night. You know, we managed to yank him away from Newsnight and that was just fantastic. But we all went to a brilliant presentation at the Museum of Brands. And he really spoke about the value of brands and how small businesses should be pushing their value up and how, by the way, that helps ecologically around the world because essentially people consume less but pay more. Great idea, don't you think so? Certainly in line with what you guys do.
Yeah, obviously getting our brand out there, getting people to see our product, and it's so important. In such a small industry like ours, people don't have easy access to our products. So getting our image out there is a really important part of what we do.
Yeah, fantastic. And as you can probably see, last place, we're in a brewery. Well, what a place to end up. I mean, we have had the most fantastic time, and if you didn't come, I'm sorry you missed out, but maybe next time.